G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, it has finally happened. 4 years in the making, countless emails and so many requests, hundreds of videos. We finally have done it. 4 years we've got here, and what I'm talking about is this is the first time ever we finally did it. I put my name on a product. Now you might be thinking, Stuart, what's so special about that? Lots of people do it. And yeah, you're right. Heaps of people stick their names on different types of motors, different types of frames, different types of flight controllers, whatever. I've never really felt comfortable with doing that. That's not what I'm about. I'm about reviewing products, giving you the right information to make the right choices. And I've had a lot of companies offer me quite a lot of money to put my name on stuff. And every time I've said, no, look, that's not what I believe in. But today it is a little bit different. And what I'm talking about is this bad boy right here, and it's just a hoodie. And I know a lot of people out there, sometimes you want to go out, get flying, wear some FPV stuff, and thanks to FPV Swag, that's what we're doing today. This is the first ever UAVfutures hoodie, and it is absolutely sick. I'm going to put some pictures on the screen, keeping it Australian. It is an Eastern grey kangaroo. He's got his HDOs on, he's got his Tyrannus, he's got a little Joey in his pouch, ripping it around, and basically, yeah, this is the first ever UAVfutures product, and I'm really excited to see people wearing this. And I think a lot of people, I can finally respond to their emails when they say, Stuart, do you have any swag? Can we get this? Yes, you can. I'm going to put the link down. It's for my Patreon supporters. It starts at $35, and guess what? I don't make a single cent off that. I think I make about $1.40 in profit, but by the time I ship out some Velcro straps and stuff, there is like maybe 5 cents or 10 cents depending on where the shipping goes to. But basically, that's what I want to make, and the price is that, and I'm not making any profit on it, so I can say thank you for supporting this channel. This hoodie is for you guys, for the people who believe in this channel, sharing this message of FPV. Over on Patreon, I have had such, like, the amount of love and support that you guys have shown me has just been extremely humbling. Since I made that recent video, and I put a link up there of pretty much how much YouTube pays, the amount of support you guys have shown me is just, it's really, it's blown me away. So thank you so much. Whether you're a new supporter, whether you've been a supporter for a long time, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting this channel and helping me share this message of FPV with as many people out there. For those people who are interested, I'm going to put the links down below. For this, you can go sign up. It's 35 bucks on Patreon, or also over on FPV Swag. I think that's just like straight up 40 bucks, maybe $41 or something like that. And FPV Swag, I should give them a shout out as well, because I've been wearing their stuff for a long time. You can see I've got their Illuminati hoodie on now. I'll put some other pictures on the screen. They've got like some cool X-Class King Kong stuff. They make, I think there's like a Rosie the Ripper one. Jono's been wearing a really cool sweatshirt of theirs lately. They make mugs. So if you want to get some stuff that's like not drone gear per se, but drone swag, well, yeah, check it out, fpvswag.com. I'll put their link down below. A whole range of some really, really cool stuff. So a huge shout out to them for helping me team up and making this jumper possible. And I want to say too, the third thing I want to talk about is we have a bit of a giveaway. So this jumper right here, this is going to be going out to one lucky patron, no matter whether you're signing up for $1 or a bazillion dollars, whatever your tier is that you've signed up to. Anybody who supports UAVfutures over on Patreon, I'm going to be drawing this in the next couple of days, and this is my hoodie here. I'm going to be signing this. Grumpy Trev, Crash Test Cal, Granger, Long Range Tony, Wingman Jono, we're all going to be signing this, so somebody out there and shipping it out is going to be winning the first ever UAVfutures hoodie. This is the first one that ever came off the press. This is the proof basically, and yeah, we're all going to be signing it, shipping it out to one of you guys, and somebody is going to be wearing what I think is probably a pretty cool item. Imagine rocking up to your meet, and of course you've got the one and only hoodie. There's only going to be one of these that's been signed by the whole crew, shipped out to somebody out there. So that competition is over on Patreon. To sum it up, also, if you want to pick one up there, 40 bucks over on FPV Swag, and $35 if you sign up at Patreon. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that. Just a short little sharp video today. If you want to pick up some cool stuff for Chrissy, get somebody some presents. Maybe you know somebody, you want to get them a cool jumper. I really like the Illuminati one, as well as my UAVfutures hoodie one. The swag links down below, all that other sort of stuff. Subscribe for my FPV related content, and if you're a Patreon who's been supporting me for a while, or you've just signed up, thank you so much. We are getting so much closer to those 1,000 Patreon supporters, and I couldn't do this channel without you. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I love you all. I already said the subscribe part, so as always, happy flying. Go check out this hoodie. You're going to love it.